We're doing it on Omega. Finally won. Episode 409, part 1. This is DRYTRON versus DRAGONMAID. Here we go. So he wins the rock, paper, scissors, prosperity. He's doing 6. Oh, let's just pause that. What did he stand by? Chamber, hospitality, extravagance, demise of the land. That and that. Okay. Chamber. And perm. He was gonna add a DRAGONMAID spell trap, which is probably the tidying. And perm negate. Goes on to Pisty. Hospitality. Special summon from the grave, DRAGONMAID chamber. Linked off for Heretic. And then a couple back row. My turn. Drew the Nova. Activate Cyber Emergency. Getting Zeta. Alpha Tribute Zeta. Add Ben 10. Zeta Tribute Ben 10. Oh, then he's gonna Heretic. Then I Chain Link 3, Call by the Grave. He's doing the finger there. Negated. Zeta effect, add DRYTRON, Medionis. And then Diviner's gonna get Herald is, or Ben 10's gonna get Diviner. Normal summon Diviner, activate effect, send Arclight effect, add Ultimateness. Going for the move bit of Fafnir. Dumping the Gamma. Activate Medionis DRYTRON, detach from Fafnir, ritual summon from the grave. Cyber Angel Ben 10. Overlay for Beatrice. Beatrice effect, detach Diviner, and I get hit with the Imperm on this column right here. That was right after. So since it was set in perm, it negates this column, whatever column it is, and wow, I was unfortunate. Gamma Tribute, Ultimateness, bring back Zeta. Medionis DRYTRON, increase attack by 1000, add back from hand, activate, detach from Fafnir, Ultimateness, and going for, this was game right here, but yeah, Droplet and sent Ernest. It's left with 500. 2 light monsters hit pushing again. And he just scooped it. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. And then part 2 he just scooped. Scooped like turn 2. He made me go first. Probably sided a bunch of hand traps. Diviner, normal summon, activate effect. Send Arclight effect. Add Ben 10. Delta Tribute Ben 10. And let's do wins. Does he have a deck? 409 decks. Ooh, does not have a, did not replay sharing. Unfortunately, we don't have a deck. You were at bronze 1130. Silver, back to silver 1154. You were at 259. Went up by 1. 260. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub reflected. See you guys.